Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can mention people on WhatsApp status. So now this is a pretty new feature where you can tag someone on the WhatsApp status update. So if you want to tag someone, maybe your partner or your friends, you can just follow my step right here. So what you need to do here, let's launch the WhatsApp app first. You can open your WhatsApp and then just head to your updates in here, the updates tab, where you can upload a WhatsApp status. So you can choose between to create or write something, or if you want to upload a video or photo. So here, if you want to upload photo or video, you can click on this camera icon. And now you can just select the photos that you want to update. For example, I'm going to find one on my albums in here. Okay, for example, I'm going to upload these photos right here. Okay, and if you want to mention someone, you can see at the bottom at the captions box there will be this add icon where you can mention someone. You can tap on that and then choose the person that you want to mention on your WhatsApp status. For example, you can click on the person and then tap on the check icon, and now the contact has been selected. So when you mention someone on your WhatsApp status, they can repost the status, and also their friends on their contacts on WhatsApp can also see the status if they reposted it. So you can add captions in here. For example, I'm going to just add an emoji here. Okay, and after that you can just tap on send or update. Okay, so now the status update is uploading. Okay, so this is how it will look like. You cannot see if you want to see the mention, you can click on the three dots icon and tap on view mention, and you'll see this. So that's pretty much all. That's how you can now mention someone on your WhatsApp status. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. So don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, and also click on thanks. Also subscribe to our channel. Bye.